So here in this quick tutorial, I will show you how you can fix repost not showing on Instagram. So Instagram has recently updated a new version, so where you can see the repost button like this. Let me just show you how you can see the repost button. So here is the repost button after the new update. So if you didn't update the Instagram, it is one of the cost that you are not seeing the repost button. So all you can do, simply open up the Play Store and simply go for the search button and simply search for Instagram. Alright, now after searching for that, as you can see, here is the Instagram. You will see an update button rather than the open button. So if you get the update button, simply tap on the update and your Instagram will be updated, and then you will get these features. So hope this video helps. If yes, please leave a like and we'll see you next time.